Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons again. So those who follow me know that I am in Bashur right now, and I am spending time in Duhok and speaking with people, and I want to share a very nice expression of Duhokian people. So when you buy something or when you drink something and when you are going to pay the price, the fee, they say you mêvan be. Mêvan be. It's a very nice expression. It means that be my guest. It means don't pay. It's from us. But of course it is for being polite. You have to pay. Pay, okay? Don't be mêvan. So mêvan be means be my guest. Mêvan be. It's a very nice expression and I wanted to share it with you. So if you come to Duhok, know that mêvan be means be my guest, and it's a very nice